No cursing. No cursing at all. No cursing at all. Yes. Yes. The second round, we go off of words from the audience. The first round, we going straight off the dome. You coming at your man, breaking it down. Nice one picks the beat, and we get into it. We got judges. We got judges. We got three judges. Yeah, okay. We ain't judges. We got two. Matter of fact, we got UT legend Damon Johnson judging. That's one judge. We got Mr. Kobayashi Cole Kane. He gonna judge. We need a third judge. P. Cheney, you gonna judge? Alright. That's what we gonna do, man. We gonna get into it. Freestyle Fridays here at Gams Hair Fashion. DJ Nice One gonna pick the beat. Now remember, you can't curse. And the first round, you going at your dude. You talking about everything. You taking it to that level. The second round, we're going to get words from the audience, words from the barbers, and then whoever coming the nicest, the judge is going to pick. So we're going to get into our contestants. We're going to find out what their names are, what they representing. All right, my man, the challenger. They call me International Hen. How much you want to spin, representing Oak Ridge to wherever you be at. Wow. Wow, I like that. You kind of scared me.
Hey, man, this is Drayski, baby. Y'all call me Platinum Bank. That's the Zach, baby. I'm right here from the Vita, and I'm ready to chill. Feed me rappers. Feed me rappers.
Okay. I like that. All right, so this is what we're going to do. You got 30 seconds to destroy this man. He got 30 seconds to destroy you. We're going to go off that first beat. Anything that Nice One feeling, whatever you feeling, go ahead and throw it on there. You got 30 seconds. As soon as you start rapping, go ahead and do it. That's what we're going to do. This first round, classic here at Urban Flavor Mixtape. We do got a clock on there. We got a clock on there. Gams Hair Fashions, presented by Urban Flavor Mixtape. Big shout out to Lee University in the house. See y'all. Yo.
Yo, okay. You want me to feed them rappers? Well, I'm going to feed them like Nutrisystem, because we slim. Check it. I'll sit down, just leave it alone. If you are Cambridge and Rafty, just leave it at home. I'm that dude you know in Atlanta, today. I be so deep, man. I know what Beeline say. For real. Check like ain't this DC, and I just do it like I be doing on no TV. I'll leave you flat like a flat with the best spot. Holla at your boy Hen, I'm the best spot. Come through if you want to try, we can get it. I'll mess around, I'll leave you on your head like a fitted. And I'll be just so simple. Call me proactive, I'll pop you like a pimple.
Ducky, ducky, quack, quack. Aight. Aight. Let's get it.
I do this. Yeah, feed me rapper. Don't feed me rapper. This dude look like a white cracker. I'm talking about, like Ram. Ooh, I wanted to slam me. I couldn't get I'm keep going. Y'all niggas going.
This is what I need, man. I'm gonna need the words, man. Y'all gonna break me off a word. Start with you, Big Mike. What you got? What words you want to rap with?
I know I'm
feet?
You ain't got to tell me that.
Big Mike say feet. My man Juice, what you ain't got no word, Juice? What you say? What you say, DK? Come on now, man. I need some hard words, man. Real words. Come on. What you got? Clutch. We got feet and clutch. All right. Calvin, you got a word, man? You got a word? Windex. 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 Okay, we got to rhyme with Windex, feet, and clutch. All right. Them three words. You got to put Windex, feet, and clutch in your rap.
Windex, feet, and clutch.
Windex, feet, and clutch. You gotta say them 3 words in some kind of way.
Somewhere in 30 seconds.
I would give y'all a demonstration, but that'd be cheap. So no demonstration.
Y'all just don't need it. He ready.
Alright.
Let's get it.
So now since he went first, you gotta go first off this. So you gotta say these 3 words, y'all. What 3 words?
Windex, feet, and clutch.
Windex, feet, and clutch.
Right.
Here we go.
No cut.
No curse. Now remember, Windex, feet, and clutch. Windex, feet, clutch. 3 words, and this man gotta say it. Alright? Here we go, let's get it.
Yo, you know hoes my dude, so it's only necessary for me to serenade the beat. Check it. Hey, mess around, get smoked like a Dutch. It's smooth like automatic, homeboy, you see a clutch. And it ain't nothing, homeboy, you're in the index. Man, you look at Mercy, you need some Windex. This is me, homie. Yeah, certainly. And on Sundays, my girl fix me quirky. Real talk, homie. And I ain't even lying. Talk about fried food, you slow down. And I be so serenade. I'm coming through with Chubby Bone, sip the lemonade. And when I come through, homie, play it again. I can be your MySpace friend. We get it to win like,
Alright, man. New champ, let everybody know where you're from one more time so you can get this victory freestyle on.
like I said, international hen, how much you want to spend from Oak Ridge to the bridge? Let's get it. My brother is Cal Area 51 in the building. Yeah. It smell like it stink. You swear I got juice like my last name Feet. And when I come through, I make the black dude beat. I'm sounding like that Titanic, I make the dude sleep. Whatever. It's Friday. Yeah. Okay. I feel like Mano. Hey, how much you wanna spend, Black Benz? I can get it, homie. I be stuck in my maxima. Flipping like a spatula, I be good, homie. When it is, tell me who got the wood, homie. Keep it edited like I bought it from Walmart. And I'ma come through, fuck you up, you smell a fart. That's me, homie. 300. Anybody can get it in a black 300? I don't think y'all really understand it. Yeah, I'm on the block like a block for a bandit. Understand? I come through in your face, black and yellow like you with the Grambling. Hold back, homie. I'm automatic. Yeah, I be established like a Webby. And y'all like y'all on proud, y'all not ready. And I be coming through, chop like a steady, homie. On the stamp. I get the stamp, homie. Then you in the camp, homie. I'm so strict. I stay straight like my whole